top stories. Lok Sabha passes Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. NESO and its supporters burn in condemnation. Six NESO protesters sustain severe bullet injuries in Tripura. And NESO's 11-hour total shutdown affects normal life in state. 7 AMSU volunteers held. Good evening, you're watching Times of Manipur. Now the news in detail. A bill seeking to provide Indian citizenship to non-Muslim from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan was approved by the Lok Sabha today. Piloting the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, Home Minister Rajnath Singh told the opposition that the bill was not against the provisions of the Constitution. On the other hand, 6 protesters who were protesting against the bill sustained bullet injuries during a clash between policemen and Northeast Students Organization supporters at the headquarters of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, 25 km away from Agartala. The All Assam Students Union, along with 30 other organizations, had called for a statewide 11-hour shutdown from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. The northeastern states shut down today against the Anti-Indigenous People Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 that the Union Cabinet cleared on Monday for approval by the Parliament. The Northeast Students Organization and state-based students' bodies in the other northeastern states joined in, while political parties such as Congress and All India United Democratic Front supported the call. Streets and commercial areas in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland wore a deserted look. The 11-hour total shutdown called by the Northeast Student Organization against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 today affected the normal life in the state today. Imphal East Police have arrested 7 Bandh supporters of AMSU. Bandh activities were seen at Nagamopal, Khoyathong, Chingmairong, ISBT, Khurai, Wangkai, Kongba, Singjamai, Mayailambi, Tidim Road, etc. Those who were picked up by the police have been identified as H. Bidyasagar, 26, from Khundrakpung, Awang Lekai, Kangujam Rohanjit, 19, from Mutum Fibo, Laishram Athoba, 28, from Khurai Angom Lekai, Coordinating and Networking Secretary of AMSU, Headquarter Laishram Athoba Maite, Joint Secretary Yumkhaibum Bijendo, Coordinating and Networking Secretary Imphal East, Pebam Jeet, President of AMSU Imphal East District, Dhanachandra Khaidem, Assistant Secretary of AMSU HQ Headquarter, Singam Jiteshwar and volunteers, Kangujam Rohanjit, Huidrom Vidyasagar. As a part of the protest, President of AMSU, Manjit Sarangthem, stated that while the state is demanding ILP, it is really unfortunate to introduce the Citizenship Amendment Bill, which is a factor in losing the identity of the indigenous population of the state, and he strongly said the bill must never pass at any cost.
Bill is first of all, passed over the Northeast Miami, Hingbagi, Kanglon, Chauba, assimilation to Grakanda, the Gitonba, Melon in India, the Chahitaruk Lava, 2014, Wagi Mamang the Leglava, Musing citizenship, Pigni Haiva Zugum Lava, the Citizenship 1955 Eki Matungina, the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, the Sina Equigi, Kariguma fast of Togadi, Langakasi, when Pumiam can the Black Amani and when Pumiamna, Lord the Bogimram Late, Lamdumsida in a line from system Chana, Chaka, among the Mahiro Sapum Rubin Hood, Lake Baba, we don't want one by my bill, Mahiro Kunai, Sokan, Yoki Basigi, Magi, significant as a Amendment Bill Pastor, they could hold me over say, I'll be Pastor to Mapung Pata, Badugum Bamakani Rodana, assume the bill as a pastor, Dramakum, Pumiam, Punamakatana, Lamin Rakanda, a kind of woman on Wokumiam, Lepi have a say, as a media among the bottoms.
The 11-hour total shutdown largely affected on the normal life of the public. Roads and streets were empty. Government and private establishments, schools were closed. Very few shops were opened. with less no of people at the Quaramban market as public transport services were on hold. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Yapote lobu zakharaba natro
zakrima
aduidi cha injang du loisanaba tawrodana
bishondu bu totpa lorabadi injang gidi thawraga lorabane adu ima dukan dagi bishondu go machanduga leibirogera
hoi ima lobirurake bungo besholamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglipagi spices industry gi production lobiron iramdong gi posuire pojan ju yautre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da puthoi ba production ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, methi jira powder, amadi hairi bo. Loinana sa masal amadi machalla powwa. Mayang manadaba packaging system so orba. Manipur da yan boina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI gi product tam sizinabiu.
Sina khwai dagi hena pharena bonina pire inni
ima KSI product city yam phabane.
First All Manipur Men's Open Imoinu Lamsang Lamjel 2019 under the guidance of Athletic Association of Manipur, organized by Irat Thogaluf Itholuf, will be held on 18 January 2019 at SWC Hairangoitong, Imphal West. First, second, third prizes will be Rs 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000 with trophy and certificates. Consolation prizes from 4 to 10 position will be 1,000 each with certificate and gift. Last date of form submission 10 January 2019. Form available. Three Brothers Cafe, Head Office Itholop Hairangoitong Kaitel. Head Office Athletic Association Manipur Polo Ground Maning. Kumar Variety Store opposite Singjamai Supermarket. KD & Sons Enterprises Andro Parking. Duff Kaisampat Junction. Anicare Veterinary Clinic Khonang Anikarak, AR Mobile Soft Lilong Bazaar, and Pangambum Dukan P. Chetun Kongo Bazaar. The first 300 players who submitted registration form will be selected for the Lamjel.
Welcome back. The two-day nationwide strike called by 10 central trade unions began today across the country. The strike was called to protest Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government anti-worker, anti-national policies, including unilateral labor law reforms, privatization of public sector entities, policies encouraging contract work and destroying job security, and the proposed amendment to the Trade Union Act. The strike is backed by all central trade unions except the Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, which is affiliated to the RSS. The strike is quite visible in Assam, Meghalaya, Karnataka, Manipur, Bihar, Rajasthan, Goa, Punjab, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Haryana, particularly in the targeted industrial areas and different mines, said Amjit Kaur, General Secretary of All India Trade Union Congress. On the other hand, the coordinating body of Trade Union Manipur and workers supported the trade union strike by launching one-day cease work strike. Meanwhile, ASHA workers staged a sit-in protest at More Primary Health Center at More. Romila Mate of More ASHA Workers Association condemned violation of workers' right.
All India General Strike, Tarik Nipan Mapan, More Assassin Sogachari. Sogat sabaga loina na dharna phomjari sida asa khoina sujaba nomjaba chaliba miron bi puba angang hida kapa puba ataina chingba thabak suba matamda akhoina hojik phangiba sembam jiga khoina suriba thabak siga phangiba.
Ragalong Baptist Church completed its 25th year today. The Silver Jubilee function under the theme Amazing Love was held inside the compound of the church. A large number of people from different communities took part in the celebration, whereby strengthening the unity and love amongst each other. Committee Secretary of the Silver Jubilee celebration, Azinbo Abonmai, speaks to Tom TV that the association will strengthen the bond of love, brotherhood, unity and may bring peace in the state.
Sorgi metik magun gi oisuna haina khoi pangthok sabani. Masida lam atop top digi pasar kya singlup ki pasar kya adiga missions gi asau asang sing ministers kya laktuna masida Mapung Pan Akoi Pangtok Tunale, Makoi Lakpa
मिपुम खुदिंगबसु इसोरना बोर चाउना पीबा ओइसनु मसिगी जुबली असिना इरमदम इरैपाक मणिपुर.
The Go to Village campaign was conducted at Motha village in Indo-Myanmar border of Tengnopal district. It was attended by DC of Tengnopal, H. Rupachandra, ADC More M. Rajkumar and SDPO of More Police Sandeep Gopaldas, wherein Agriculture Department distributed seeds of different winter crops to the people and MSPDCL also distributed Ujala bulbs to the people at low price. A dead body was found this early morning near a car wash in Ragailong, under the jurisdiction of Lomphel police station. The deceased reportedly looked like a non-Manipuri and was discovered by employees of the car wash this morning. On receiving the information, the police picked up the body and kept at the Rims morgue. Works Minister T.H. Bishojit, at an exclusive interview with Tom TV, assured that 6 footbridges will be available for the public by February. With increase in the number of vehicles in Imphal city, minimization of traffic island in Kangla Western Gate and Governor Mamang is underway by PWD-HN Division No. 3. According to Tom TV, the work is taken as a part of the decision to construct and renovate 3 traffic islands at Khongnang Anikarak, Kangla Western Gate and Governor Mamang by government. Speaking more on the issue, Works Minister T.H. Bishojit said that with increased number of vehicles and pedestrian in Imphal, government took up the steps to tackle the problem. He added that traffic island at Khongnang Anikarak will be removed, but Kangla Gate and Governor Mamang will be minimized by 20 meters in diameter, and the height will be 1.5 feet, and will try to finish it very soon.
IRC code ki matungina su hana sarama matamda saramdaba aduna masigi rotatory ka lakpa matamda congestion yam la kana magi turning sina chawk thorakpajina maram morakana khodi accident gi masing henkalakpa aduna akogi lagiba congestion si akoi vehicle masing aduga laiba masing ji population ji sum henkalakpadu maram morga lai thokpa khochen ba dagi mi chatpa gi pochi congestion orpajda masi akona planning am tawraga masi akoi engineer sing aduga akoi laiba ministry gi laiba tanare har kana akoni approval am lauraga masi akona khara pixel har kanda aduga khara nemdare har kanda public ki oiba convenient oiba maung amada akona semji haidana ministry dege akona request tawraga ministry na.
Meanwhile, constructions of feet across at different areas at Imphal have begun. For the first phase, 6 bridges will be constructed with funds from both centre and the state. He said that government is for the people and appealed for masses to support.
Gari chatpa marakta akoi mi da sunungai taba adu gari da sunungai taba masi control tawna ba du Kasampa ki area adu LF ki degi kitang haidaraga asigi area adu AOC ki not AOC ki adagi akoi leriba Jonoson Mamangi adu secretary ki leriba mafum asin mafum jingje seda koina foot cross bridge this hare har kanda koina jakhot palam da tawriba sumaina akoi sisu public ka amaga serok lan thok matam da accident thok tana ba amadi public ki convenient.
We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Machalgi Sasenaba products in the Jackson Bio. Kanglai Park Spices Industry na puthokpa, Machalgi Atopa Manaba Manufacturing Unit Amatalazade. KSI na puthokpa, Machalgi Asengba products in Asubu Kangna Bagidama, packaging da KSI logo, Kanglai Park Spices Industry, Yaubara Hina check to view. Amasung, packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi, Yaubara Hina check to view. Lalamung Makong, Takela Mamlekai, Rims Road, Factory, Tangweban Sinam Lekai Hina Thari Basin. Taba atopa amata Machalgi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhan basingdagi Jackson View hena kupa marol khangna baleng sinbirau Machal Kanglai Park Spices Industry Lalamung Makong Takhelamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangmiban Sinam Lekai near Lamfelam Park natraga logon to view www.machalspices.com or Facebook/machalspices natraga email to birau info@machalspices.com.
Tom TV na adongi dama New Year gi oina offer pizari ba offer si LED TV 32 inch ama leibada Tata Sky ama free da hapchari TV asi hoji market ki rate da 14,500 piba TV ni hariba TV asi supnatagi 12,999 da offer pizari khudong chaba asi lobiyu akaknaba matamni tanjang asi manghan biganu Tom TV na leijari basi adongi damaktani.
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products singi fangfam diagnosed instruments healthcare system. Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001. Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001. Complete range star surgical instruments, hospital equipments, OT lights and tables, autoclaves, rehabilitation aids, hospital consumables, healthcare products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gi damak contact tobirau 038520569092 amadi 7085776993. Ekoi gi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Khudong chaba si manghan biganu diagnosed instruments healthcare system.
Welcome back. A protest rally for the farmers' right was held in 5 valley districts and submitted memorandum to the concerned DCS. As a part of the rally led by Bharatiya Kishan Sangh Manipur Prant, protesters went to submit the memorandum at Imphal East DC office but left disheartened as the DC was absent. President of Bharatiya Kishan Sangh Manipur Prant, Talim Dara, said that the DCS of 5 valley districts were notified earlier about the memorandum, but the absence of Imphal East DC is a sign that they don't respect the farmers.
Lomi the Pangam of the Topiro Lomi account the Lupalising Nipan, low Ekaramu Urgadi, Sinipan Hapiro, and Ekarkutikil Palising Nipan Hapaisimasi 1 time, not about lifetime. Lebaki, Ladybird, go down in Japik Talan, the Lomina, so Matic Chanam Logage. Haiba Kongjangdu Bharat Pumbagi in the Sanghanja Posida, Nasi Imphal Iski, Dicina, a coin of prior information to Pizakraga, Nasi Ladam the Bagi Awa Atopa.
185th birth anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh will be held at Maharaj Gambhir Singh Ningshin Kubam at Langthabal by the government of Manipur. As a part of the event, statue of Narasingh and Hirachandra, who played a significant role in defeating Awa from Manipur at Awa battle, will be unveiled. Sculptor B. Banamali of Sharma Arts and Crafts Such of Khongman is the man behind the statue of Narasingh and Hirachandra, which will be unveiled tomorrow. At an exclusive meeting with Tom TV, B. Banamali said that the 13 feet tall statues were made within a short period of time by special request from the government.
Normally, Tataruk in a Sangadaba project. Adubu Matam City and Equator Hunga Kardang Hena Pangi, with Tankayama Pangi. Adubu Kona Rix Lauraga, war putting that machine of Nabona Sena, decision Silauraga, target Tamaga, Sanction Zerpaneduna, Matam Tienman Morum, Weraga, problem city am lake, Madam the Norman time that have the norm of the Punktine to hit around Tim Anina, Paga the Batabuxi.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Adongi Damaktani.
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products singi fangfam diagnosed instruments healthcare system. Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001. Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001. Complete range star surgical instruments, hospital equipments, OT lights and tables, autoclaves, rehabilitation aids, hospital consumables, healthcare products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gi damak contact tobirau 038520569092 amadi 7085776993. Ekoi gi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Khudong chaba si manghan biganu diagnosed instruments healthcare system.
Welcome back. Tamil Nadu's Youth Welfare and Sports Development Minister P. Balakrishna Reddy, along with 15 others, was convicted and sentenced on Monday by a special court to 3 years imprisonment in a case of unlawful assembly and rioting in 1998 in Bagalur village near Hosur in Krishnagiri district. The court later suspended the sentences of the 15 persons, allowing them to appeal before the Madras High Court. Mr. Reddy resigned from the cabinet later in the day. Mr. Reddy, 49, was the MLA from Hosur and began his political career in the Bharatiya Janata Party. He had also served as the chairman of the Hosur municipality. Jayanti Bhanushali, former Gujarat BJP legislator and a vice president of the party, was found dead in a train he was travelling from Kutch to Ahmedabad. He was shot at multiple times. The body has been taken out of the AC coach and is being taken to Ahmedabad for autopsy. We have found his bullet-ridden body from the train, a police official said. Lately, Bhanushali made headlines when his name figured in a complaint filed by a Surat-based woman who accused him of rape and sexual harassment. Subsequently, he was also accused of running a sex racket in Kutch. Following the complaint of rape, he had resigned as the Gujarat BJP vice president. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, protesting Citizenship Bill. AMSU calls general strike, burns bill copies. JCILPS 2 against cap. Ahead of Lok Sabha polls, Cabinet approves 10% quota for economically weaker general category. Mob violence may entail life imprisonment. AMSU observes 44 Press Club Foundation Day. The People's Chronicle. Cabinet okays Citizenship Amendment Bill. JCILPS tells government to oppose Citizenship Amendment Bill. Centre announces 10% seat for upper castes. Prime Minister's visit triggers turmoil in Northeast states, says Ibobi. Chief Minister confident of BJP wrestling bot Lok Sabha seats. Congress negates. The Morning Bell. AMSU NSUI oppose Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Copies of bill burned. AMSU to enforce NESO strike in state. NSUI condemns Prime Minister Modi. 44th Foundation Day of Manipur Press Club observed. Media has a great role in promoting good governance, says Shyam Kumar. Chief Minister Biren flags off Startup Yatra. State Institute of Journalism, DIPR 15-day certificate course inaugurated. Imphal Free Press. All Manipur Trade Union Council calls 2-day mass casual leave as Chief Secretary dishonors Chief Minister's pay assurance. Inaugurations not so impressive. BJP government should initiate a new project at least, says O. Ibobi. Chief Minister flags off Startup India Manipur Yatra. Northeast India Development Party is ready to extend funds for implementation of 7th pay. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister flags off Startup Yatra. State Institute of Journalism DIPR inaugurates certificate course. Naga People's Front unhappy with Citizenship Bill. Meghalaya Police enhances security measures. Chief Minister visits Samadhi of Maharaj Gambhir.
Now, before we wrap up the top stories once again. Lok Sabha passes Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. NESO and its supporters burn in condemnation. Six NESO protesters sustain severe bullet injuries in Tripura. And NESO's 11-hour total shutdown affects normal life in state. 7 AMSU volunteers held. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.